ధన్యవాదాలు.
Vasudeva. The next item is Sri Guru Charanam. This is written by Srimati Chintapalli Saradamba Garu. She is my maternal grandmother, my Ammamma. Sri Guru Charanam is a heartfelt tribute expressing her deep devotion and complete surrender, Saranagati, to her spiritual guru, Master Ekirala Krishnamacharya Garu, Master E.K. As a tribute to my Ammamma and Master E.K. Garu, today my daughter will be performing an excerpt of this song, and my niece Koppolu Bhanu Srihita will be singing along with our wonderful orchestra today. On this special occasion, we would like to take a moment to share a few words about our spiritual guru, Master E.K. Master E.K. is one of the supreme gurus who taught humanity the eternal human dharma, which is unrelated to religions and classes, and demonstrated its practicality. As a chosen medium of Master CVV, he served as master of synthesis, blending ancient wisdom, Vedic tradition, and practical spirituality into daily life and service. He authored many books in English and Telugu on Vedic wisdom, yoga, astrology, homeopathy, and spiritual practice. Vasudeva.
Sri Guru Charanam Bhava Bhaya Hara